So welcome to RPN, the Red Pill Nomad. Today is an important day because I've sold my house and all my possessions, because soon I will leave my country and go to South America to work and live there. So this is the start of my story. My channel will be about unlocking your real potential and living your dream life. Also about travel, mainly for guys. For now the plan is I have to wait a couple of months before I'm leaving because of the pandemic situation. Because soon I will, I think in the early 2021 I will leave to I think Colombia or Mexico. So that's about that. So this is my house mainly. I can show you a quick tour. So this was a very big step to take, but sometimes you have to take important decisions. It was a bit difficult because I love living in this house, but sometimes my dreams are bigger than only this house. So it's only a house, so I will become a frequent user of Airbnb, I guess. Just above. Separate bed, sleeping room. So you have some little bit of idea what I'm selling here. So well. guys, welcome back to RPN. It's now I'm sitting here at my balcony at my Airbnb. I'm currently in Medellin, Colombia. So I came here in early January and it's now the beginning of April. So I've been traveling for almost 3 months now. But to be honest, the first 3 months only went partying and having fun, experiences, spending money way too much. So I have to get my focus and my discipline to build something for you guys. So what can you expect from this channel? So I will be showing you how I'm changing my life up here. I have to lose weight, that's the first thing. I want to build an online business with an online brand. And the third is I want to find myself, I turned 39 years old last week, so I want to find some sweet, beautiful local Colombian girl for my future as well. So I have to improve in my Spanish and become more local and less like a tourist. So all those things you will see in my videos. Furthermore, I will show you the nightlife and traveling part and then the girls and the dating, because it's all fun and I like women as well, so I think you do. I think you agree with me. So if you want to see all that kind of videos, keep watching and keep following Red Bull NOMAD, and see you next time. Ciao.